Time, a word we hear every single day. But do we truly understand its value? Time, what you have today will not be there tomorrow. What is past will never return. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that will show you why you must value time, because time changes everything. Arav came from a humble farming family. He was intelligent in studies, but he took life far too lightly. His attitude towards time was something like this: "Oh, there's plenty of life ahead. I'll work hard later. For now, I just want to have fun with my friends." His parents would explain to him every day, "Son, once time is gone, it never comes back. If you work hard today, tomorrow you can rest." But Arav would simply smile and postpone everything. Being late to college classes, submitting assignments after the deadline, these had become his habits. And then one day, in the final year of college, placement season arrived. Many companies came, but Arav was not prepared. His friends were hardworking, punctual, and they got great offers. But Arav, he didn't get even a single offer. He just sat there, empty-handed. For the first time, he realized the true value of time. But what use is regret now? Time that has passed will never return. He got his degree, but not a job. Now his family started asking questions. Relatives began taunting him. What's the use of such studies? Sitting at home doing nothing. One day, Arav stood in front of the mirror and said to himself, "No more. From now on, I will treat time like time." He decided, from now on, he would value every second. Wake up at 5 a.m., study for 8 hours every day, and learn a new skill each day. Slowly, change began to happen. Arav no longer wasted his days on his phone. He no longer trusted tomorrow. He did everything today. Eventually, he got a job as a junior developer. The salary was small, but his self-respect was huge. He would say, "I'm taking small steps now, but they will take me to a big destination." Every month, he saved a little, took new courses, and then, after 3 years of hard work, one day he received a call from a multinational company. The offer? Senior software engineer with a salary of 1.8 million rupees per year. The same friends who had once been ahead of him in placements were now in the same place they had been years ago. Arav was no longer just doing a job, he was teaching people the value of time. He conducted seminars, met students, and always said one thing: time is the greatest teacher. Those who understand it succeed in life. Those who waste it spend their lives only regretting. Time is the most valuable asset you have. If you lose money, you can earn it back. If relationships break, they can be rebuilt. But time, once it's gone, it never comes back. So whatever you have to do it now, do it here, do it this very moment, because time changes everything. If this story touched your heart, right now type in the comments, "From today, I will value my time." Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with that friend who is wasting their time and needs to hear this right now.